I'm gonna show you these 4 toys. I know they seem like 3, but there's a mystery toy which I'm gonna show you at the end. So starting off, this is the devil man. See? I'm the devil now. And then we're just for the rest of the video, or else no, cutting the video. And then there's a disco. And then there's this wall, which is disco ball. And then I'm taking this off. But last and finally, come on, is this. It's kind of like it's a night lamp. But then the mystery toy is coming out. A keychain with my name on it. See that? A keychain. It's so cool. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye.